Fall is the season of warm, comforting spices. From pumpkin spice to cinnamon, these aromatic ingredients fill our kitchens and bring out the best in fall recipes. But did you know each of these has its own strange story? Let's dive into 10 fall spices and discover a strange fact about each one. 1. Cinnamon used to be more valuable than gold in ancient times. 2. In large quantities, nutmeg can cause hallucinations and is considered mildly toxic. 3. Cloves were once so valuable that they were used as currency in ancient trade. 4. Ginger has been used for over 5,000 years as a medicinal herb and was even prescribed for motion sickness by ancient Chinese physicians. 5. Despite its name, allspice is not a blend of spices, but a single berry that tastes like a combination of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. 6. Cardamom was known as the queen of spices and was once used as an offering to the gods in ancient Egypt. 7. Star anise is not related to true anise, but is actually a fruit from a tree native to China. 8. Vanilla is the only edible from the orchid family, and it's one of the most labor-intensive crops in the world. 9. Mace is actually the outer covering of the nutmeg seed, and it was believed to ward off evil spirits in medieval Europe. 10. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world because it takes 75,000 saffron flowers to produce 1 pound of spice. These fall spices bring warmth and flavor to our kitchens, but they each carry fascinating and strange stories. Next time you sprinkle some cinnamon or stir in some nutmeg, you'll know a little more about the history and mystery behind these essential fall spices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite fall spice in the comments.